I think of all the prayers I ever heard, this one most impressed me. It was written a long time ago, made into a song a few years ago. We recorded it a few months ago. It's called An Evening Prayer, and I think it's very appropriate. If I have wounded some poor soul today, if I have caused one foot to go astray, if I have walked in my own willful way, dear Lord, forgive. Forgive these sins I have confessed to Thee, and forgive the little sins I do not see. Guide me, love me, and my keeper be. Dear Lord, forgive.
Oh, that was lovely, Jim. Thank you so much.
Thank you, T.
I sure enjoyed that.
I enjoy singing it. I wish I could sing it. It's one of the songs that I love so much I can't sing.
Oh, Mercer, you did a wonderful job.